There's a Dewalt DXGNR8000. We ended up doing 2 generators, and this one was a storm responder with the engine of Briggs Stratton. This one was 5,500 watts. The reason why we got 2 of them was because we would use one at night and one in day. We used less electricity in the day versus at night. This one I will be returning and getting another one of these. And the reason why is because we noticed when we would connect the microwave to the Dewalt, the lights would not dim. It's 700 watt microwave, so it's nothing really big, but when we would power on this and use the microwave, the lights would even dim, or even the other electronics that we needed. They both have the same 4 inputs, outputs, plugins, and same as the storm responder. Storm responder also has 4. What we liked about the Dewalt was if this section would the left side would kick out, it would only kick out the left side. The right side would keep running, and this is the reset button. You had a little LED or a little light right here, it was green. And as for the storm responder, if one kicked out, all of them kicked out, and you'd have to come and flip off the circuit breaker. The Dewalt was also a little better on gas. With the wattage and the runtime meter, it actually showed 17 hours versus what the box said, which was 9 hours. I believe it was 9 hours at full capacity, using full energy, but it was 17 hours for us. What we did was we have a sub pump. So we powered the sub pump down here with a freezer, small freezer in the basement with the sub pump, and then this one ran upstairs with a fan, the lights. We had 2 fans, 2 lights, and charging ports for our cell phones. The reason why we had it like that is because if the sub pump kicked out, the light and the fans would stop working upstairs. Then in here we had the microwave with a couple lights, and then this one was its own fridge. Wash machine, I do believe this would do wash machines because ours is about 1200 watts. I don't know about the startup watts, but I know the running wattage on our wash machine is 1200. Very, very good generator. The only thing that you would have to be careful with tightening the battery, when I was tightening the nut, I accidentally touched this and there was a little spark. Luckily I didn't damage anything because the auto starter works still. So everything was good. It was a small spark, something that I learned right away, but I think they should have probably put the red over here or something different rather than putting it close to this. So careful when you're tightening on the battery. It's got the pull start. The handle's a lot better than this one. This one was good on gas. This one was very, very good on gas. It lasted us almost all day from 2 in the afternoon all the way till 11 at night. There's nothing really. There was a different one, a different Dewalt that was 7,000. The model was 7,000. I think The only major difference is that obviously the wattage and the CO protection carbon. We didn't have a problem with this. It didn't shut off. It was running perfect. Gonna return this one like I said, and then get us another one so we can run day and night back and forth. But it is a very, very good generator. I am impressed with Dewalt's generator as of now. There's no problems that we had. It started up right away. I did not use the pull start yet, so I don't know if it's going to take one pull and it starts, but with this past storm, major storm in Wisconsin, it killed over, I think, 100,000 houses with electricity, and so generators being bought left and right. I had to travel about 3 hours to get this, and it was well worth it in keeping it. Well, I hope this helps.